nananakit sa mundo. Di alam anong gagawin, di upusin ang oras sa gym. Akala mo'y iya ay may mararating. Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mong mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you the way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game a stranger never would have wanted to. There was you, 'cause I've learned the love is beyond what human can imagine. More it clears, the more I gotta let you go. So I don't understand, so I'm feeling so bad now, when I know it was meant to end. I could've just denied the truth and lie. Why am I the only one standing on the same ground? May gusto ka bang sabihin? Pati mapakali, na hindi makatingin. Sana wag mo na tong palipasin at subukan tutasin sa mga sinabi mong na iba narapan sa akin, na tunay kong mamahalin. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong ibig kong naman. Ibig na kahit pagkalian mo. Sinong tutuloy sa'yo?